Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Amazon Seller Central to streamline fulfillment workflows, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download Amazon Seller Central, begin by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in sellercentral.amazon.com and press enter. You will be directed to the Amazon Seller Central homepage. Look for the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on Sign In to proceed. Enter your registered email address associated with your Amazon Seller account. After entering your email, click Continue. Next, input your password and click Sign In. Once logged in, you will be brought to your Seller Central dashboard. To streamline your fulfillment workflows, consider accessing the mobile app. For iOS users, open the App Store on your device. In the search bar, type Amazon Seller and search for the app. Tap on the Amazon Seller app icon that appears in the search results. Press the Get button to begin downloading the app. For Android users, open the Google Play Store on your device. Use the search feature to find Amazon Seller. Select the Amazon Seller app from the results. Tap on the Install button to start the download. After the app downloads, open it from your home screen. Sign in using the same credentials you used for Seller Central on the web. Once inside the app, familiarize yourself with its features. Explore options like inventory management, order fulfillment, and performance metrics. Utilize the app to stay updated on your sales and streamline your workflows effectively. This will help enhance your overall selling experience on Amazon. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.